Hey everyone, welcome back to Maker. So today, I'll walk you through how to use your Silhouette Cameo 3 to cut your very first design in the simplest way possible. Also, if you run into issues or have questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out. You can always call us at the numbers displayed on the screen, and our team will be happy to help you troubleshoot or guide you through anything you need. Alright, let's get started. First of all, make sure you've already downloaded the Silhouette Studio software on your computer. Okay, so once you've got the software installed, your Silhouette Cameo 3 should be all set up and ready to go. Now, before we jump right into anything else, make sure your machine is turned on. Now, you have to pull that lock lever out. Then, take your AutoBlade and insert it into the blade carriage. And while you're inserting the blade, make sure you push it down firmly. Once it's there, press the lock lever forward to lock everything in place. Perfect. Now, let's move over to your computer. Open up the Silhouette Studio software and just make sure you're on the design canvas. So from here, you're going to select a shape. Just go to the shape menu over to the left panel and pick whatever shape you want to cut. Now, let's prepare our material. But before that, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a helpful tutorial like this. Grab your Silhouette cutting mat and, if there's any protective film on it, peel it off, then place a fresh cardstock sheet right on the top of the mat. Okay, so now it's time to load the mat into the machine. Just slide it into the machine and line it up with those blue guide marks on the left side. Once that's in there, go to your machine's touch panel and tap on Load. The machine will grab the mat and pull it in. Alright, now head back to Silhouette Studio on the computer. Click on the Send tab at the top. From there, you'll want to select your material. In this video, I'll select cardstock and make sure my action is set to cut. Oh, and also make sure your tool is set to AutoBlade. You just want to double check that everything matches up. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Send button at the bottom. And here's the cool part, your machine is going to automatically adjust the blade depth and start cutting your design. You don't have to do anything, just let it do its thing. Alright, once the machine has finished cutting your design, go back to that touchscreen panel on the machine and tap to Unload button. Now, you can remove the mat and carefully peel off your freshly cut design. And there you have it, your design is ready to go. And honestly, once you get the hang of this, you can cut pretty much any design you want using the exact same steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.